your diamonds in the night and let them see you shine bright.
Cut them hoes. Hold on, wait 1 minute. Hold on, wait 1 minute. Hold on, wait 1 minute.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this curly wig right here. So if y'all like what y'all see, make sure y'all stay tuned for all the details. Yeah, I tried that ball cap method, and let me just y'all don't even take this off. Let me just say, I don't know if my head too big for it, like my forehead. I feel like it look weird. Okay, it looked really weird to me. So I just popped my bonnet on just to show y'all this wig really quick. Like I said, it's from LIAZA hair. In the box, the box looks like this. It's real cute, y'all, real pretty, real colorful. But anyway, inside you would get the wig caps, and then it's really pretty pink comb. So yeah, it's a wide tooth comb, and then your hair comes in this type of packaging, a little drawstring package, really cute. I'm just gonna open it up. I know how I wanted to do this review today. Number one, y'all, I don't do curly hair. Like I always, it comes like this little thing inside. But yeah, I always either do like body wave or straight and like do my own curl. But anyway, so I'm gonna just start off by saying it has 3 combs, 2 up top and 1 in the back. It actually has 4 combs in this wig. There's 1 right there too. It has an adjustable strap in the back, and then this is the lace right here. Let me just double check. I believe this wig is pre-plucked. Yep, it's pre-plucked, and it's deep curly is the texture. And here how it looks up close. It's really pretty, y'all, and it's 14 inches. They go up to 26 inches if y'all wanted something longer. I normally do longer. Yeah, it's in the natural color. It comes with some baby hairs, the little shorter hairs up top, and they do have these available in the full lace wigs too. This is how it looks up top, like the parting and everything. But I'm gonna cut this lace, y'all, and then I'm gonna come back and put it on my head and see what it's looking like, because I look crazy right now with this bonnet. But for the most part, so far it's really soft, really soft, no tangles. So let's see, y'all. Y'all know I don't do curly hair, so we're finna see how it looks. So I'll be right back. I forgot to tell y'all, there is some lace at the back of the wig in case you know you want to wear it in a ponytail or whatever the case may be. It is lace in the back. All right, y'all. So I just switched it to a middle part, and I did baby hairs in the middle like I normally do in my middle parts, and I wet the whole head because, y'all, the curls get really big. If they're dry, like the hair swells up really large. I mean, like really large, y'all. You wouldn't think it would swell up that much being a 14-inch wig, but I like it. At first I couldn't figure out like how I wanted it to frame my face, but once I figured it out, I was able to see like, yeah, the middle part would look better. I tried the side part and it didn't look like quite as good as the middle part does. But I'm gonna turn to the back so y'all can see. Hopefully I was in focus. So this is the LIAZA. I'm gonna say LIAZA. I don't think it's like LIAZA. It's LIAZA. I believe it's LIAZA. So this is the LIAZA hair. They sell their wigs on Amazon. This unit particularly, I'm just gonna go to the link of the unit so I can give y'all the correct information. So this wig is called LIAZA, however y'all say it, y'all know. LIAZA short, deep, curly human hair lace front wig with baby hair and pre-plucked natural hairline. And then they also say Brazilian Remy bob wig. So I have it in the 14 inches like I said in the beginning, and it comes like right here, like right under my boob area, and I'm 5'2.5". So yeah, if y'all were wondering, as far as the length goes, it's longer than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like really short, y'all. A couple details about this wig is they have this wig available all the way up to 26 inches, and it is pre-plucked in the beginning. I did not do any plucking, y'all, and y'all see the part. Like, it looked like my scalp, literally, like it looks like my scalp. They do have full lace available if you want full complete lace. The texture is deep curly, and it's definitely curly. And I just put a little water and conditioner on here, and this is how I got this curl. So yeah, it's really cute, really cute. It is in a natural color. Let me zoom in so y'all can see the color. This is the color of it. Definitely a natural color. Let me see what else comes with baby hair, and it did come with baby hair. In the beginning I could not find the baby hair, but it does come with it, and it's like just a little bit, all you need. And all I did was like cut a piece of the front baby hair just to get myself that little swirl in the front. That's all I need with the middle part. I do not plan on pulling this up or pulling it back or anything like that, so I don't need any other baby hair. The price of the 14 inch is $109.94, and I must say I believe it is worth like a good $100, because I got a little shedding when I was first fingering out the wig, and it was it wasn't dry, but it wasn't fully moisturized, so I kind of expected that. But now that it's fully moisturized, I'm not getting any shedding whatsoever. It's really flowy, really bouncy. It took really well with the water and the conditioner. The curls came alive and everything. I would like to see if this hair can take heat to like do like a wand curl on it. I think that would be really cute on here. I'm always trying to go to wand curls. I love wand curls, but I really think that'd be a cute style to do with this wig. Like I said, I tried the side part. I ain't like it on me. I have seen people do the side part with a similar wig like this, so it's not doable. It's just not doable for me in my head. I got a really big head. Oh, and speaking of the cap size, I did not have to adjust it at all. I have a large head. I used all of the combs in the cap. It comes with 2 in the back, 2 on the side, and 2 in the back, 2 on the side, I believe. I think that's how it was. I showed y'all all the combs they came with. I'm trying to talk a little bit more so y'all can see how the hair puffs out. It's starting to puff out a little bit. But I like that because when it's flat, my head is so big. I don't think that looks right on me. But yes, I actually like this wig, y'all. I was a bit scared because I normally do not do curly hair. Like, y'all ain't never seen me wear no curly hair, no curly wig, none of that. But it's really cute, and it is an affordable wig. So yeah, I don't have any bad things to say about it. I can't even think of anything to say about it. So I appreciate LIAZA Hair for sending me this wig. I have watched other reviews where people that weren't like, you know, YouTubers that get sent stuff, and they had the same thoughts on this wig. So yeah, as y'all can see, it's starting to puff out, and it's still, the curls are still cute. I have been running my fingers through it, and it's still cute. But yeah, I really like this wig, and I hope y'all enjoyed this review. Thumbs this video up if y'all want more hair reviews, hair tutorials. Y'all have been asking me for them, so I'm trying to get them out there. Y'all can expect another one in like next week, I believe. I'm gonna say next week. And yeah, this is a really nice wig. I suggest all y'all go get it. If y'all like curly hair, go get it. Me, it was a bit of, it was different for me, but I'm working with it. I think it's cute. It's cute. So once again, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up, hit the bell to get all of my notifications, subscribe if you haven't already. I do have a giveaway going on right now. It goes until March 1st, so make sure you go enter, and I'll see you on my next video.